So I videotape the whole drawing part, and then I did this. I break up this. I felt like those are important steps I want you guys to know. So basically is, and you have to layer it to get what you want. You know, the value, everything takes time. So don't hurry. If you are, you know, doing slowly, just do slowly. Okay. The main purpose is learning. The drawing is not like we going to finish how many pictures. So about this one, first one talk about it is the first step. Just I did from the other video about the coloring, and is you wanted to have a base. See, when I did some blue, it doesn't smooth like very easily, so I start color the whole background just white. Then I layer it with blue on top of the white, and then I find what I find is very easy to smudge it. See, it's very easy to smudge it. That's what I did. Then after like the first layer, then I can do the second layer on top of the first layer to get darker, right? There's a different shape of cloud, so you can get darker. Then after, you know, kind of finish the cloud as a sky kind of, then I start with the cloud. So for the cloud, you have to realize cloud is a three-dimensional thing. Okay, it's not flat. It's round. Whatever that shape is like cotton, right? It's three-dimensional. It's not like a paper, right? It's more like this than that, right? So because of that, because it's a three-dimensional thing, so they have the lighter side and they have the darker side. So I'm just putting white, because the paper is yellow, I'm putting white on the lighter side. Look at it, if I'm putting this picture up, you can see, right? That's the lighter side. This whole part is lighter side of the cloud, and under is a darker side of the cloud. So I try to achieve that with this big shape, the light and dark. Then they come with the small ones, dark and light. Got it? And then after this, so now I'm starting for the, and I'm starting with the shadow part of the cloud. See that? It's the shadow part of the cloud. It's a little darker than the lighter color. Lighter side is white, shadow part is darker. Then after that is cloud kind of finished, not exactly. You can fix that later, but that's just like that. Then I start with the bottom. Bottom is pretty easy. It's just the green, you can tell I use a lighter green first. Then I put a darker green on top. Now it's easy to smooth out. Okay, so after all this, I put the tree on. The tree is on top of the sky, and this one is I finished. I add a bunch of things actually, more detail than this. You can tell I made that part bigger. See this part is I made it bigger. I just still try to finish. See, I add this, then have that. So you try to get the shape nicer. Don't know why I have this. Oh, I just did it. Okay, sorry. Okay. So yeah. Then there's not only one yellow. I put more yellow, different yellow on top. Those are, if you want to see those what I put, then I videotape the whole thing, so you can, if you want to see what exactly color I used, you can watch the video, but it's going to be a long video. Okay, take your time. The worst thing is our finger going to be like very dirty, like you know. So sometimes I just use a paper towel to help me.